Computer monitor low lux lighting that will make it easier on your eyes. Blue light. This is a light that goes onto your laptop and big monitors in front of you. Let's unbox it, show you what it's all about, what it looks like. It is nicely packed, and you have a USB-A cable, a USB-C cable, enough length to reach your USB port, and brick. This is the attachment to your monitor. An instruction guide and the lighting stick with the controls on top and the bracket and the LEDs located on one side with the name of DisplayLux. Please do not forget to remove any film that's over the unit. The USB-C port plugs in. The unit has a locking mechanism that's going to slide on. The on and off, brightness, the PR switch, and the color temperature. All controlled by the icon buttons. Open up the bracket, adjust it to your computer. At the low level lights, you turn the lights on by a simple press and able to see and visualize a brighter computer very easy. Hitting the first button, it changes the lighting conditions as it increases and decreases. There is a sensor, and it will sense if it needs to adjust things by pressing in this particular button, and then to rotate in different colors to soothe the eyes. This is a light for your computer that will do a nice job making it easy for your eyes. Check online for further detail about the DisplayLux product. Touching the top of the unit, you can see the lights go on over the icons. It's ideal lighting. It comes in black, 3 color temperatures, a motion sensor for the desk. 110 degrees with a 1.5 millimeter throw. It is shut off automatically after 8 minutes when no one is around. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a low lux blue light for your computer needs.